Have you ever wondered why Buddhist monks seem peaceful, even when the whole world is chaotic? Have you ever felt like meditation is something spiritual and mysterious? Or maybe something only monks or yogis understand? But here's the surprising part. Modern neuroscience is now proving what Buddhism has taught for over 2,500 years. Short breathing practices change stress hormones. Silent meditation rewires neural circuits. And mindfulness activates parts of the brain related to compassion and emotional balance. So today, we're not talking philosophy. We're talking science. We're talking brain chemistry. We're talking about how Buddhist meditation transforms your nervous system in a way science finally understands. This video will break it down in the simplest possible way. Stay with me. This might change your relationship with meditation forever. When you meditate, your brain doesn't go silent. Something very different happens. Your prefrontal cortex becomes more active. This part of the brain controls self-awareness, decision-making, and emotional balance. That means less overthinking, less impulsive reaction, more awareness, more calm. Modern research calls this neuroplasticity. Buddhism simply called it training the mind. The amygdala, your fear and stress center, slowly becomes quieter. Which means less anxiety, less fear, less stress hormones like cortisol. Science calls this down-regulating the sympathetic response. Buddhism simply called it freedom from suffering. What emotion do you struggle with most right now? Stress, anger, anxiety. Comment below, I'll read every reply. Most of us live in the past or in the future. Mindfulness brings your attention into the present moment. Science now confirms. Breathing anchors awareness. Sensory focus reduces brain noise. Present focus prevents rumination. That means your brain stops carrying emotional baggage around. One moment becomes one moment. This is exactly what Buddhist meditation trains. Not to escape life, but to return to this moment. Right now. Only now. Always now. Here's something incredible. When you slow your breath, your vagus nerve activates. This sends a signal to your brain saying, "You're safe. Calm down." Heart rate slows. Blood pressure decreases. Stress hormones drop. Modern neuroscience calls this parasympathetic activation. Buddhism simply called it mindful breathing. So every time you breathe consciously, you're literally healing your nervous system. Compassion meditation isn't just spiritual philosophy. It increases oxytocin, a bonding hormone. It activates brain circuits linked to empathy. It reduces aggression and anger. Science calls this prosocial behavior, kindness circuitry, emotional regulation. Buddhism simply called it karuna, compassion. There is something science still struggles to describe. Something subtle. Something inner. Something awaken. When the mind becomes still, awareness becomes clear. No thought. No stress. Just presence. Science studies brain waves. But Buddhism studies consciousness. And maybe this is something only silence can teach. So, the next time you meditate, remember this isn't just spiritual tradition. Your brain is changing. Your nervous system is healing. Your emotional patterns are transforming. Science is finally catching up to what monks discovered thousands of years ago. If you wish, I can make another video explaining each type of Buddhist meditation step by step. Just write "Yes, meditation video" in the comments. If this helped you even a little, please like this video, subscribe, and share with someone who needs peace today.